Good morning, children. Mostly, we want to use the short way or shorthand notation for representation. Like we use UK for representation of United Kingdom, USA for United States of America, CM for Chief Minister, PM for Prime Minister, etc. Similarly, in chemistry, we also use the symbols for representation of elements because short way is easy to learn and give simplicity. John Dalton was the first scientist who used the symbols for representation of elements, and that symbols are called Dalton's symbol of elements. So today we will discuss the Dalton symbols and modern symbols which was given by J.J. Berzelius. So let's start. Here I am showing you Dalton symbols of elements. Dalton's used this symbol for hydrogen, this one for oxygen, this is for nitrogen, this one is for carbon, and for sulfur he had used this symbol. Lead is represented by this symbol, copper is this one, zinc is this, and mercury is represented by this symbol. He had also used the symbol for representation of some compounds. They are water, he had represented by using this one, carbon dioxide, this is, and for hydrogen disulfide, he had used this symbol. But these symbols are very difficult to draw and to learn. So that a scientist whose name was John Jacob Berzelius, he had given the symbol for representation of elements. These symbols are called modern symbol. Till now, we use this modern symbol for representation of elements. Children, scientist J.J. Berzelius proposed the modern symbol. In the modern symbol, he had used the first letter or two letters for the representation of elements. Few examples in which elements are represented from their first letter you can see in the table, like hydrogen represented by H, boron represented by B, carbon represented by C, and fluorine represented by F. Oxygen we can represent by using O. Similarly, phosphorus we can represent by P, sulfur by S, and uranium we can represent by U, iodine we can represent it by using I. But some elements we can represent by using its two letters. For example, helium, lithium, magnesium, neon, sodium, chlorine, argon. Few elements starting from same letter like carbon, copper, chlorine, calcium, these are begins with the same letter C. So that J.J. Berzelius use the first letter for one element and two letters for the another elements. He had used the symbol C for carbon, Ca for calcium, Cl for chlorine, and Cu for copper. Children, when we use two letters for representation of symbol of elements, always it should write first letter is capital and second one is small. Berzelius gave the symbol of elements from their English name or from their Latin name. Symbols of elements which derived from their Latin name, they are Latin name of sodium is natrium, so that its symbol is Na. Latin name of potassium is kalium and its symbol is K. Latin name of iron is ferrum, so that its symbol is Fe. Similarly, Latin name of copper is cuprum, so its symbol is Cu. Latin name of silver is argentum and its symbol is Az. And Latin name of tin is stannum, so its symbol is Sn. Children, these days the names and symbols of newly discovered element are approved by IUPSC. IUPSC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry.